Hello, this is Up. Right now, I'm staying in my own apartment in Montreal. My family is in Istanbul, Turkey, so that means that there's no one that's actively taking care of me right now other than me. So there's been a lot that I had to figure out over the last weeks. Even though we haven't been going to school, I've been learning a lot. Like how much dust there is in Montreal, just how much cleaning you need to do per day so that the house looks okay. How hard actually finding a recipe that excites you and you think you can actually cook and not burn the house, actually finding one is. And then how going to the grocery store without a car when you need like milk and a bunch of stuff like eggs and it's far away and you have to carry them all with your hand, how hard that can be. Because yeah, you might have helped your parents when you were a kid to carry the bags, but you never carried all of them. I did. It's pretty heavy. This is the first time we went grocery shopping, so they're really heavy. We made fajitas with my cousin. This is one of the first meals that we cooked. This is another one of the meals that we cooked with my cousin. This is the first time I marinated and made chicken breast. This is the second time, which, to be honest, it was considerably better. So we made slow cooked steak, which we used many different ingredients like balsamic vinegar and Dijon mustard to marinate. This is the first time I ever cooked pasta. This is a breakfast that my girlfriend made. This is another breakfast that my girlfriend made for me. Our house is new, so this is a time lapse of us putting together our new TV. Since it's Wacky Wednesday, here's a cool fact for you. In Switzerland, it's illegal to own only one guinea pig because they get lonely. Don't try this at home, but over the break, I fixed a dryer by myself by looking at the instruction manuals because our dryer broke. We have been going on many walks to stay physically active over this extended quarantine. Of course, we have taken our precautions. This was a photo from the first day that it was springy. A spectacular thing happened amidst all of this COVID-19 chaos. My cousin got married. So they connected all of their relatives and everybody that was going to come to the party through Zoom. This is a beautiful view in the morning from my house. So those are some of the fun moments and other experiences I've had over the last few weeks. I hope you enjoyed them because I surely did. And even though it's been a difficult time, it's also been really fun. So on a quick note, I want to address a really special day for someone tomorrow. That's me. It's my birthday tomorrow, so don't be hesitant to send me a message saying happy birthday. I really appreciate it. And everybody that's far away from home, I hope if you see this video, I hope it helps you to know that you're not the only person that's struggling through this quarantine, and there's many other people like you that are having to figure out a lot for themselves and having a challenging time. So I hope everything gets better soon and you all stay safe. Have a nice day.